Good morning. Today we're putting some new windows in the old house. The nice Simonton solid vinyl, low E glass. We used a single divider to mimic the old windows in the historic district. You can see them next door. This is our first window installed. We'll do some caulking. It will be ready for painting. Guys are getting the second window put in. Nice clean fit. Huge improvement over the old single pane windows she had in before. Give us a call, 478-501-0102. We'd love to come change your old windows. And see how nice having some energy efficient windows will make your home. Thanks for watching.